Abarai abo bali kwamireria serikali kulinde bakenyorera amabaga yebirogo maiga yo kuigwana ne serikali wetera umoroberio o broad based okwana nigo bamuinyora Raila asoko babwata okoboko na kubakinia Orogendo rwa siasa asensemende nigo balira yo kubwatia chimbaratero chaye na kurwanirira abakenya Mulikito Linet Nyambane ni gabaga kwira chinga kichaye chabene nabo igo gotwariganiria orobotiro kubwatia
ase omoyega bwoko mwenya Raila Odinga abarai ao nigo baikirana eriko mwa isko yae yo mwerio abarai abo kurwa asense moye serikali nabo igo bari bekiama kya ODM ba okoriga siasa serikali bamanyekanite buna broad based nigo bakwanera okwiro kwa Raila gochiasa abakenya.
As a community, there is something we believe in, that a leader, before he dies, a leader knows his death, but he doesn't talk about his death. He will show his people, before he dies, what he wants to be done. He will show his people where to take everything that he has. Raila showed us, before he died, that he wanted us to be in government.
Mimi, siwezi kuwa mahali ambaye Raila kunipeleka. And I must say it today here, I was taken to government of William Ruto by Raila Amolo Odinga.
Early this year, Your Excellency, Baba Raila Amolo Odinga did pay me a visit in my office at the ministry. And he told me that work for your country selflessly.
Na Raila amenifunza mambo matatu. Ya kwanza amesema wewe ukitaka ufanye siasa inji hii paka uwe na wananchi. Listen to what the people are saying.
Mimi leo ni ngumu sana roho yangu kutoa rambirambi kwa baba. Mimi baba alikuwa kwa mambo mingi kwangu. Mimi nilikutana na baba nikiwa na miaka 24, the year 2001. Miaka 23 na 4 ingine sijaona kiongozi ingine, sijaona chama ingine. Chama yangu ilikuwa baba na baba ndiye alikuwa baba yangu.
Omuwasiri bwa mang'ana yechinse cheisko Musalia Mudavadi nigo airari bagerio na kumwinyora Raila chinga kibare gokora chikambeni cyo mwaka bw'ekiri bubere 2022.
He stood for a lot of things. His spirit is unbogable. Raila suffered. He had a checkered career. But one thing, Raila never allowed the history to hold him prisoner. And in better times, Mr. Deputy President, I worked with Raila, and I remember when he brought fire into my belly, and I would go there saying, Nasa Hawa. We would say, Nasa Uhuru, Nasa Ruto. But today, while Raila lies there, I'm at Nasa Sisi wote.
Omonogeri bwe bunge nenenere Moses Wetangula nigo amwinyora Raila asatebire buna niga arenge kurwanirira obosibore n'obwene bw'abakenya asarengo mustari obosio bokoreta omorembe imeyense. Omorai wekiama kya Wiper Patriotic Front Kalonzo Musyoka nere nigo amurera Raila asarire ira yogochia kugendereria cha agenda cha Raila wekia abakenya kanan.
We called you Joshua. We never got to Canaan. There were indeed crocodiles across the river Jordan, as we used to say. Lakini, I've seen in the printed program, you even paraphrase the late Martin Luther King. You've been to the mountaintop. You've seen the promised land. And you know you may never get there with us, but we have to get there on your behalf. I give you my pledge, those values you stood for, the tears, the pain of a stolen election, as my brother Jim Orengo has said, elaborated. That pain will not be in vain. The nation is gathered together.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV, eritaria ne Linet Nyamba.